good, YouTube? Back again with another video. Welcome back to Dairy 2 Raw. Today we going to put a new radio inside of my 1999 Honda Accord. So right now I'm finna go to the store and I'll hit y'all back when I get to my car. Alright, YouTube, we got back to the car, as y'all can see. Hold on, yeah, see, we took everything out. We're gonna take these brackets off, then add it to our new double din. You feel me? So yeah, when we get this bracket off, I'll get back to y'all, boy. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get back to it. Alright, we got back on it. So yeah, as you can see, we got one right there, one right there. So yeah, and then record it. Hold on, I just had the flipping wires, the freaking wire. Oh, right here. Yeah, right here. Cause it comes with a book. All right. Yeah, you can see that little frame right there. The Bustolini. We adding that frame on there. So, caution use connectors only. But don't tell me mess up. Wait, cause I got this other thing. Hold on, cause I got me out the whole set and everything. Cause okay. See, I'm glad they came prepared. Cause I had this junk sitting in this car for a hard little minute. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Cause I gotta make sure this is the right one. Cause as you can see, that was a little too big. Cause now I'm looking at it. Yeah, so it's gonna be this one, as y'all can see. Oh no! You gotta have electrical tape and everything for this job. Right, hold on. Let me whip this thing real quick. The double din. See, you gotta make sure it fit. Oh, y'all heard that click? Yeah. Oh yeah. See. And now you just gotta add all these wires and everything. Hold on. Yeah. You see, right? Shit. Okay, hold on. Gotta make sure this thing don't come out, cause you know. Oh, you know what? We're gonna keep it like that. Go ahead and spread all these wires out. Cause we're gonna go ahead and add this right here on there. Oh, the thing got a zip tie. Bruh, I didn't noticed it. Oh shoot, hold on. Okay, hold on, y'all. Cause this thing, bro, I swear to y'all, I did not know this junk had. Wait, what did you say? Cause the connector may vary. Oh, okay. Hold on, let's hurry real quick. Man, this thing hard, boy. Oh yeah, they did say colors may vary too. Break. Reverse. pink on there? No. No, we got some blues. Blue is what? Remote turn on. Wait, this is an older car, so it ain't gonna have no remote turn on, so. But I get back to y'all boy when I put this junk on there and everything. Alright YouTube. Yeah, so boy, been stressing your boy. But yeah, so you see we got all the cords and everything in there and stuff. So yeah, so now we have to do all that. So I'll get back to y'all when I'll get the radio in and see how it look. Alright, so you can see me? Okay. See how dark it, God dang boy. So y'all see how dark it had got, y'all? So right now I use my phone light as of right now, but you see all the cords in there. But the thing is, colors may vary depending on the car you got. Well, dang, hold on. But yeah, so we can go ahead and add the radio in, turn it on, and see what's going on with it. Not going on with it, but you already know what I mean. But see what see when it comes on, and we're gonna see what it is. All right, let's get into it. Y'all feel it. All right, so guess what, y'all? We got it, and we got everything up in business. Yeah. Yeah, can't have too much because you know copyright reasons. So. Yeah, we got the thing working now. Yeah, I was gonna turn the brightness down. Hold on, let me turn the shit without the light. Yeah, we don't get the light don't run really. Yeah, we gotta think, oh, right. Hold on, that jumping up there. But yeah, so we got that done working. Wait, hold on, let me just lay in. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Can y'all see me? Alright, so yeah, we got a day working, and I'm going to put everything up and see how it looks when all the stuff is on it and everything. And I'll get back to y'all when shoot. I'm out. Y'all keep y'all boy on. So, but yeah, I'm gonna see y'all boy when I put everything back on together. Alright. Oh, y'all can't see me, but ooh. Damn, that shit like break. God dang, boy. But like I said, we got it in. So I'm gonna show y'all the final product. Woo! Yeah, this is gonna be another project I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video on that. So look at y'all, boy. Your boy like that. Your boy noise stuff. Hold on. Another volume test real quick. Hold on.
Continuous music and streaming live at Z93Jams.com.
And this is gonna be another video too. But yeah, I got all the projects on this car. This is my project car. So yeah, I'll go ahead and put everything up. You already know what I'm gonna do. Go ahead and hit that bed. No, first I'm gonna take me a shower. Then go baby. You already know I better go. But I'll see y'all boy next time. And make sure y'all like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all boy in the next YouTube video.